Hey guys, welcome to Rich's Mowers and Blowers. Psh, it's a John Deere L130. And what's going on with it, Rich? I don't know. It's not going back and forth too good. So after we remove the deck, which you guys should know how to remove some of these things, we will check it out. There's your idler pulleys. They're underneath here. There's two of them. This one right here seems to be spinning, and then this one here, that's locked up tighter than Grandma's cookie jar. There is a spring right here, so I think if you can undo that spring and then loosen this up and take these off with the 5/8, do one at a time, put it back on there, you might not have to mess around with that belt too much. So right here's what we got. This come from the Jungle website. Let's see if we can pull this off one-handed. Open this up. Comes in a 2-pack. Links will be in the description. Look at that. Nice and new. So that'll be good. There's the one that's locked up tighter than Grandma's cookie jar. So that's the one we really need. But might as well replace both of them. And so it'll drive. Drive forward. Does pretty good. You go backward and it creeps, so not very fast. Alright, well, we didn't take the spring off, but let's see if I can. Probably not. Anyways, let's just go for it and take this one off, see if we can get it off. Is it doing anything? Making a lot of noise. It's not even budging. So we got that one loosened up finally. Now, how are we going to wiggle that off? That's what we're going to work on. So this one, if we can see it, that one is stuck on there. It's not coming off. That one came off. So I ended up grabbing that spring, taking all that off. Took this nut off there with a 1/2 inch. And this whole plate's gonna come off. Woohoo! I got one off. That's how we did that. See that? That was just burning right in there. It wasn't spinning whatsoever. So a job that should take like probably no more than 10 minutes is taking, what, over an hour? 45 minutes to an hour. And I got one off. Alright, it's hanging down there. So we are going to try it again. Chicago Electric, 18 volt. Oh my gosh. Well, that's off. Yeehaw. It is important when you put your belt back on that the V side of the belt goes on the V side of the pulley. The flat side goes on to the flat side. That's how you can tell how to run your belt. The V shape in the belt goes to the V pulley. Flat side goes to the flat pulley. So when you go back there, the V side should go in that. Got to put that one on, then we have the spring. So we got the belt ran. Alright, we got our pulleys on there. We got that back on there. Got our spring on. So we're looking at the front. That is a V pulley, so the V has to go there. Now if you were going to put this whole belt on and change it out, you would have to take the steering apart. So there's a nut right there on the steering. Take that up, and then you're going to have to lift this shaft up, and then you can put the belt on and then just run it Remember, the flat part of the belt will line up with the flat part of the pulley, and the V part of the belt will go on to the V part of the pulley. And that one up front is a V, and this one in the back is a V. So that's how you put that on. And yes, you have to take this off, take this gear off, lift your steering up, and then your belt will go on. So here is the pulley. It was not spinning, it was just sliding. This one was spinning, the little one was just sliding in there. It was not spinning. Frozen. I just wanted you to look at this deck. What the... Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's one way to make sure your deck is gonna rust out. Just leave all this stuff on there. Alright, got some cleaning to do. These springs will rust out right there and break off. But it is what it is. Thanks for watching Rich's Mowers and Blowers. Hey, if you guys like videos like this, hit that subscribe button. It's free. Leave me a comment down below. Check out the description for all the parts that I used. Hey, and we'll see you next time.